Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to join the Clubhouse app or how to get an invite fast. And it's actually a working tutorial because I can invite you. I have 4 invites and I'll invite people. But if this video helped you out, by the way, this video works on iPhone, on an Android device. Make sure you give the video a like, share some love for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're new. And hey, if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section down below. So what you obviously want to do is go on Clubhouse and add in your username. You can reserve your username even without an invitation. And I have 4 invites right now, so I can invite people. And if you want to be invited, just comment your Clubhouse username on the comments of this video or DM me on Instagram. This is my Instagram, drnicky.co. It's free. I'll just invite as many people as I can until I have invites. So yeah, hopefully that helps you. This is the idea. Share some love, like the video. Otherwise, I won't invite you. And see you next video. Bye.